Kaka, why do we keep so many hookahs?
You see, they are for your father's clients. All sorts of people come here. Muslims, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, etc. They won't smoke from a common hookah. See this one here? It is for the Muslims. And this one for the Brahmins. And this one for the Kshatriyas.
What if a man belonging to one caste smokes from a hookah meant for another? What would be the result? Would he suddenly die?
What are you doing, my boy?
Oh, father, I was trying to see what would happen if I broke caste. Nothing has happened.
And thus, through this simple experiment, Narendra learned a profound truth, yet difficult to grasp by many, the equality of man. That man is divine, for he is the divine soul. The distinctions of caste, creed, race, and even religion are but secondary.